What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shevon here, back with a new video, and today I'm super excited because I got that brand new limited edition Apple Watch band. And if you guys know me, you already know what country I picked, bro. You already know. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get these new Apple Watch bands. And also, if you didn't get to cop one of these Apple Watch bands because it's super limited, it's a limited edition drop, you can also download the Apple Watch face for free. So it's limited to only 22 countries right now. So if your country didn't make it, I'm super sorry, guys. But there's a lot of countries, including Australia, Belgium, Brazil, Canada. Shout out to Canada. Yesterday was Canada Day. Shout out to everybody from Canada, I love you. We have China, Denmark, France, Germany, Great Britain, Greece, Italy, the best country in the world, Jamaica, I'm super biased, Japan, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, Russia, South Africa, South Korea, Spain, shout out to Spain, Sweden, and the US. So yeah, those are the 22 countries they have. I also think that these are the countries that qualified for this year's Japan Olympics, so that's why they're all there. So if your country didn't make it again, I'm super sorry. Just buy the Jamaican one. It's the best. Let's go, baby. But yeah, now it's time to jump inside this box so we could see the Apple Watch band and also switch up the watch faces. Let's go. Okay, unboxing time. Super easy to do. We have this pull tab right here. Let's get this out of the way. Boom. Jump inside the box and let's go. You guys see it? You know the vibes. You guys see it? Let's get this out the way. Just slide this out. Boom, super easy. Apple always kill it with the unboxing, man. So around the back, you can see that we have this gold Apple Watch print right here, which is kind of like Olympic themed. And then you have the international loop collection around the back here. And the other things is just different languages. And of course, you got the Jamaican one right here. Up here, you can see Jamaica Sport Loop. All right, let's go. Come on, baby. Ooh, this is nice. This is some nice unboxing, guys. One more gold Apple Watch logo. So that's kind of like giving limited edition vibes. Black, green, and gold. Woo-wee! This is sick. Okay, I'm too hyped right now, bro. Okay, what the hell is this? To find the matching watch face. Oh, nice. So to find the matching watch face, we just need to scan right here, and then it will add the watch face. So let's do that real quick. Let's try to do that real quick. It says stripes. Boom. It pops up. This is sick. I'm gonna take a screen. This is sick. Now you just hit view, and it just installs right onto the Apple Watch. Mad. This is sick. So let's go ahead and add that to our watch faces. So boom, it's all the way over here. So this is the watch. It has all the colors, guys. Black, green, and gold. This is the watch band right here. We're gonna install this real quick, but we have some stuff in here. It even has this little detail that says Jamaica. This is insane. All right, let's go. Let's put this on. So let's remove our Apple Watch band that I have right now. Let's get out of here, boy. Get out of here, boy. Get out of here, boy. All right, now it's time. I'm not even sure how we do this, guys. I'm freestyling it right now. Okay, I think I got it. I'm not sure. Let's try. Let's put our Apple Watch on. Boom. Did I do it right, guys? I'm not sure if I did it right, but this is how we coming. This is how we do it. Okay. I'm sorry, Germany. You gotta go, okay? I'm sorry, but you gotta go, bro. Yes, sir. Look how clean this is. Oh, yo, what team you repping? Just look at my Apple Watch, bro. Guys, you can't tell me this isn't clean. Yo, if you guys get this, man, tag me over on Twitter so I know what country you're repping. But the Jamaican one is A1. Let's go, baby. This is sick. Alright, guys, so if you don't get the Apple Watch bands, but you still want to rep your own country, it's super easy to do. So just want to go on the Apple Watch page, right? Not the Apple Watch bands, the Apple Watch page. Scroll all the way down until you find bands for every fan, alright? You hit see the countries. You have 22 countries here to choose from. For example, say you want to choose Germany. You just scroll down, then you can see the option here, add Apple Watch face. So you want to hit that, open with, and then choose watch. Boom. Then all you have to do is hit add to watch faces and you're done. So just like the Jamaican one, you have the Germany one over there. And it's from the Stripes collection as well. So it's pretty simple to do. Alright guys, if you made it this far, thank you for watching today's video. And let me know down below in the comments, what team are you repping for this year's Olympic Games? Or if your team didn't make it, what country do you think has the best looking flag? Let me know down below in the comments. Let's have some fun, guys. As always, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out. Team Jamaica. Let's get it, baby.